Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Nissan Altima and Honda Accord. We'll explore their core characteristics, from engine options to interior comforts. This comparison will highlight their strengths and differences, helping you understand which sedan might be the better choice for your daily driving and long-term ownership. Let's dive into the details to make an informed decision. When it comes to performance, the Honda Accord generally provides more powerful engine choices, including a hybrid option for enhanced efficiency. The Nissan Altima, however, stands out with its available all-wheel drive, a feature not offered on the Accord, which can be a big plus for varying weather conditions. Both sedans offer competitive fuel economy, with the Accord often showing slightly better city mileage. Inside, the Honda Accord typically offers a more spacious cabin, especially for rear passengers and cargo. It often features a sleek, modern design with high-quality materials. The Nissan Altima counters with its comfortable zero-gravity seats, designed to reduce fatigue on longer drives. Both vehicles come equipped with advanced infotainment systems, including large touchscreens and smartphone integration, though the Accord may offer more standard tech features. Safety is a priority for both, with the Altima and Accord earning high crash test ratings and offering comprehensive driver assistance suites. In terms of value, the Honda Accord generally boasts a higher resale value over time. However, the Nissan Altima often has a more accessible starting price, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. Your final choice depends on balancing initial cost with long-term value and specific feature preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.